In this tutorial, I will show you how to create this transition, so if you are interested, keep on watching. Go to the Project panel, click on New Item, and then select Adjustment Layer. Click OK, then drag and drop the adjustment layer onto the timeline, placing it above the clips. Set the duration to 20 seconds and position the layer at the cut. Now in the search bar, type Lens Distortion and drag and drop the effect onto the adjustment layer. Now set the first keyframe of curvature to 0. Then move to the middle of the cut and set the keyframe to -100. After that, move one frame forward using the arrow key and set another keyframe to -100. Set the last keyframe at the end to 0 either manually or by clicking the reset icon. And that's it, you now have a new transition.